welcome to yet another episode of Anvi and Advi Kids TV. So friends, today we're going to be reading some jungle animals. So let's go on a jungle safari. Come on, Advi, can you tell me who is that?
Lion.
Yes, that's a lion. Lion is the king of the forest. And look at the lion on your shirt. It says roar. Which animal is that, Advi?
Elephant.
Yes, that's an elephant. Elephants are big and strong with a trunk so long. Advi, can you tell me which is that animal jumping around?
Monkey.
Yes, that's a monkey. Monkeys love to swing, jump and eat yummy bananas. Advi, who is that animal in the water?
Hippo.
Yes, that's a hippo. Hippos love to chill in the water. Splash, 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 splash. Shh. Advi, can you tell me who is that animal hissing over there?
Snake.
Yes, it's a snake. Snakes have no legs but can slither really fast. Advi, can you guess that animal?
Rhino.
Yes, that's a rhino. Rhinos are big and strong with a horn on its nose. Advi, can you tell me who is that animal beating his chest over there?
Gorilla.
Yes, that's a gorilla. Gorillas are strong and gentle and they go thump, thump, thump on their chest. Advi, can you find out who is that clever animal over there?
Fox.
Yes, that's a fox. Foxes are clever, quick, and have a fluffy tail. Advi, can you guess who is that orange animal with stripes?
Tiger.
Yes, that's a tiger. Tigers are fast and fierce cats with orange and black stripes. Oh, Advi, can you guess who is that tall animal over there?
Giraffe.
Yes, that's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest of all animals with a long neck. And I guess they can even eat the leaves from the sky. Advi, can you guess that animal over there with stripes?
Zebra.
Yes, that's a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes and can run fast. So friends, as we've learned so many wild animals, now let's have a quick recap. Elephant big with a trunk so long. Lion roars loud and strong. Monkey swings high in the trees. Rhino and hippo love muddy seas. Snake goes hiss and gorilla thumps. Fox goes quick while zebras jump. Tiger growls and giraffe stands tall. Wild animals, we love you all. Wasn't that really fun, Advi?
Yes.
Yes? So friends, now it's quiz time. First question. Advi, can you tell me who is the king of the forest?
The lion.
Yes, lion is the king of the forest. Second question. Advi, can you tell me which animal loves to swing on trees?
Monkey.
Yes, that's right. Monkey loves to swing on trees. Third question. Advi, can you tell me which animal has black and white stripes?
Zebra.
Yes, that's correct. Zebra has black and white stripes. Fourth question. Advi, can you tell me which animal has a long neck and eats from tall trees?
Giraffe.
Yes, that's correct. Giraffe giraffe has a long neck and eats leaves from tall trees. Fifth question. Advi, can you tell me which animal has orange and black stripes?
Tiger.
Yes, that's correct. Tiger has orange and black stripes. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed this video where we met so many cool and interesting wild animals on our jungle safari. So friends, if you like this video, I hope you all know what to do. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, see you, toodles. And friends, tell me in the comment section as to which is your favorite wild animal. Bye friends.
Bye, friends.